Good morning everybody, and welcome to this episode of Damo's Workshop. Now this morning I want to talk to building managers, facilities managers, appointed persons and responsible persons. So if you're not one of them people, keep scrolling, this isn't for you. Are they gone? Great. Right, okay. So I'm sure for all these people that are going to be appointed persons and responsible persons, by now you will have had lots of information regarding the new fire regulations which are coming into force in January 2023, which compliance to is mandatory. What does this mean for your lightning protection systems? So in this new regulation, there is a statement that states that all appointed persons as responsible persons must have considered and risk assessed against all potential sources of ignition. Yes guys, you guessed it, lightning is a source of ignition. But what makes it a little bit worse than your standard sources of ignition is that lightning energy, whether it be indirect strike or direct strike, also has the potential to damage your infrastructure, your electrical infrastructure. So not only can it cause a fire within your building, it can also damage your fire alarm system, so it won't work. Yep, nightmare. So how can we help? We have a service, a Cloud to Ground Limited, called a survey, inspection and test service. What this involves is one of our skilled and qualified engineers will attend your site. They will undertake an in-depth survey to identify all the data points we need to risk assess your building against the lightning protection standards and the new fire regulations. We can identify if your building needs a lightning protection system, if it already has one, what its compliance status is, and if it needs any remedials or upgrades. And we can identify those critical electrical infrastructure systems that you really can't afford to lose. And we can amalgamate all this information into a detailed report and action plan to help you meet your mandatory compliance requirements. So does that sound like we can help you? Does that sound like something you need to know a bit more about? If it does, I'll drop a link to our website in the comments, and all our contact details can be found there. Give us a call, let's have a chat, and we'd love to see you and we'd love to help you. Thanks again guys, and we'll see you on the next one.